Still having a little issue. I don't like that. Boy, I have to get it. I'm gonna have to get it cleaned out a little further, I think. Got my wire bent, so I'll just make it straight and poke it down there. Yeah, see, I can tell it's not wanting to go down any further. My pliers out. There it goes. Okay. That's what my issue was. It just needed to be cleaned out. And I gotta be careful with all this, or else that, trust me, that crazy glue, if it can go somewhere, it will. Okay. See how I'm gonna get this covered up. I have to move that around a little bit first. Oh man. Okay, come on. It seems like it wants to come out, but I haven't used it for a while, and I know there's still some in there. Okay, I guess I just have to hold it upside down a little longer to get it going. Oh, this is ridiculous. Ridiculousness. Redunculous. I can't even get it to come out. I see that there's some still in there, unless it's dried up inside of there. Some of it, you know? That's not going to be a good thing. I wanted to fix this today. It's not wanting to come out. I may have to go to the store and get some more of this. I don't want to start pulling this apart and digging it around and all that if I can help it. Joy. Oh, figure out, I might have to take this apart. And dig around in there with a wire or something. Loosen it up. Isn't that a pity? Pity, pity, pity. Boy, I thought this was going to work. Hey. Okay. There we go. I've had it for so long. It's kind of starting to dry up, but now I can feel it as I'm shaking this around. Good. Okay, let's get this thing on taken care of, shall we? There. It's coming out good now. Just do a little bit at a time. Cause see, I've got to reposition stuff because I've got some black felt tip marker on there. I've got to get that kind of sucked down in there. Okay. Now it's coming out good. That's why I like to use the gel. Okay, so remember this was cut out like that. Just like that. Okay. And I've got a couple. See, I can just zip that out and I can use that right in there. I may have to cut that a little short. Pull that back right in there. Mommy was vacuuming the other day and she caught a string on a seam and it zipped. Oh man, it was 2.5 feet and I fixed it just like this. I'll show you it here in a minute once I get done with this. Okay? I'm not afraid. I'll show it to you. See what you think of my handiwork. Pulled away so you can get some more of your gel in there. Don't try to do too much at one time because then your gel starts hardening up on you. You'll see on this on the carpet strand where there's the bits that you got to push down in there. You know, you'll see it. Sometimes you got to hold your screwdriver on there and then to pull it out, twist on your screwdriver and then pull out. Okay? It looks like there's just a little bit more right there. Come on. Don't fail me now. Next time I go to the store, I'll have to get another one of those. There we go. I told you I was going to show you How's that looking, huh? There. I told you I was going to show you that zip. When Mommy was vacuuming, it must have pulled up at least 1.5 feet. I'm showing you exactly where it is. Can you see it? It was right here. All the way from there to about there. Look at that. See? That took me a while to do that. In fact, there's a little strand here that came up. I'm going to have to come in here and glue that down. But it looked like it was really bad. And I spent, 2 hours, 2.5, 3 hours on that. A little bit at a time, an inch at a time, and put that all back in there. Okay? All right. That's all I wanted to show you on this video. Sorry it took so long to do that, to get that glue to start working. But you can use Crazy Glue Gel or Gorilla Glue. And see, it says Super Glue, but you want to find the one that says Gel. So Gorilla Glue, Super Glue Gel, and Crazy Glue Gel, so that it comes out in a gel rather than just a stream of like water. You know what I mean? And you'll be able to patch it yourself.